Good morning, students. Welcome to the statistics class. Today, we are going to solve or we are going to draw one more graphical presentation. I'm going to show you one more graphical presentation of histogram and as well as frequency polygon. Okay, I had explained to you in my previous videos about histogram, the uses. Histogram can be from the histogram mode can be found out. At the same time, we can also plot frequency polygon and frequency curve. Students, frequency polygon and frequency curve, both these diagrams can also be plotted using histogram. Right. Having said this, it doesn't mean that without histogram we cannot draw frequency polygon or frequency curve. No, frequency polygon and frequency curve can also be drawn without histogram. So make a point that okay, with the histogram it will be more easy. It will be very easy for us to plot the frequency polygon or frequency curve. So today I'm going to show you how to plot histogram and how to emboss frequency polygon on it. Okay, so the data is on the board, students, very clearly. You can see it on the screen, the question as well as the data. Prepare a histogram frequency polygon from the following data. Prepare a histogram frequency polygon from the following data. Okay, so usually we can do this individually, histogram one graph and frequency polygon another graph, but let's do the frequency polygon with the help of histogram, students. Okay, understand? Right, if you just check the data, students, here 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to okay, 18 to 24 it should be. Okay, let's take this as 18 to 24. Then okay, these are all unequal width, students. These are all unequal width. Okay, let's take the same as it is. Okay, unequal width itself, 18 to 30, 30 to 16, 30 to 36, 36 to 42. These are all of unequal width, histogram of unequal width. So whenever you come across with this histogram of frequency polygon of unequal width, we are not going to use these frequencies, students. So what we are going to use are the frequency densities, students. Frequency densities. Okay. So that is what we need to first calculate here. Okay. Frequency density. Okay. I'll write it here. Frequency density, that is F by W, that is 4 divided by 6, students. Okay, 4 divided by 6. You can clearly see that how to do it. 4 divided by 6. Four divided by 6, 0.66, 0.66. Okay, and 8 divided by 6. Next, 8 divided by 6, it is 1.33. This is 1.33. Then 15 divided by 6. 15 divided by 6 is 2.5. Okay, 2.5. So 2.5. Then 20 divided by 12, students. Is it right? 20 divided by 12 is 1.66. This is 1.66. Okay, then we have 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, get it as 2. And then 36, 242, it's again 6. That is, in other words, 2 divided by 6 is 0.33. Okay, this is 0.33. So this is Class intervals, okay, these are class intervals of unequal width, students. You see, these are all of unequal width. I will write it here, unequal width. Okay, so here we see 18 to 30, the class size will be of 12. Here it is 6, here again it is 6. You understood? So all these are 6, except here it is 12. Again, here it is 6. Again, here it is 6. Okay, so you can understand this. These are of unequal width, they are not of equal width. So let's take the x-axis, students. X-axis, along x-axis, okay, 1, or I'll take this 2 centimeters. Again, the 2 centimeters is equal to 6 units. Okay, 2 centimeters is equal to 6 units. And along y-axis, I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay, 6 units of class intervals and 2 units of frequencies. Is that okay, students? Yes. So we'll take and start the scale drawing with the okay, fine. I will take the first one is the y-axis, and I will take a thick line for y-axis. Right, I'll draw y-axis. So is that okay? Right. Then I will take x-axis. Okay, so this x-axis will be like this for us. Let me take the scale. It's 2 centimeters. This is 0, 0. This is 6. This is 12. This is 18. This is 24. Okay, this is 30. This is 36. This is 42. And this is 48. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 42. This is what we see is x-axis. Okay, this is all. What are the in x-axis? All the class intervals are in x-axis. Class intervals are in x-axis. Okay, then what are in the y-axis? Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to, for me it is 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Oh, sorry, we are supposed to take f by w, is it right? Yeah, we are supposed to take f by w. I will take, okay, once again I will draw the scale of a y-axis. Okay, once again I'll draw the scale of the y-axis. It will be easy for us. Okay, so don't get confused, because what we are supposed to do is, students, we are supposed to fine, we are supposed to plot f by w on y-axis, students. So this also changes. This 1 centimeter, right, will change. So what we are supposed to do here is, I will take um, uh, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, the same 2 centimeters is equal to 2 centimeters is equal to 0.5. 0.5 units. So 2 centimeters equal to 0.5. This is 0.5. This is 1. This is 1.5. This is 2. This is 2.5. And this is 3. And this is what we have it as F by W. We have frequency density on the y-axis. Is that clear, students? Okay, now 0 to 6, it is 0.66, students. 0.66, 0.5, 0.75 will be here, 0.66 will be somewhere here. So I will draw a line 0 to 6, okay, joining one line or parallel to y-axis. Okay, the next would be 1.33, students. 1.33 is 1.33, the same line to be extended up to 1.33. 1.5, 1.25, 1.33 is somewhere here. Okay, this, okay, 1.33, 6 to 12 is 1.33. So here it is 1 bar. This is another bar. The next is 2.5. This whole line has to be extended till 2.5, students, till 2.5. So 2.5, 12 to 18 is 2.5. Okay, right. The next is 18 to 13. 18 to 30 is 1.66. 1.66, 18 to 30, 1.66, 1.5, and 1.6. This is 75, 1.75, 1.66 is this line. Okay, so from here we have to draw one line. Okay, the next is 2. Okay, that is 30 to 36 is 2. It is up to here. The line goes up to here. Okay, and the last one is 0.33. 36 to 42 is 0.33. So somewhere this is 0.25 and this is 0.33. It will go like this. Okay, so let me draw the horizontal upper sides of this rectangle so it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, right, the first one. This is first one. That is 4.66 length. The next is 1.33. Okay, 1.33. The next is 2.5. Height is of 2.5. The next is 1.66, that is 18 to 30 is 1.66. Okay, and the last one is, you see, this is 0.33. Okay, this also I will draw an extended line up to here too, right? Okay, keep it aside. This is what is histogram, students. Okay, so now we are supposed to plot polygon. So what we'll do is, let's take the upper sides of the each rectangle and take the middlemost of it and plot, right, a mark of it. Here also just a mark. Here you just mark. Then here you just mark. Here one mark and here one mark. and probably here 1 mark, it would be like that. So what we'll do is we'll join all these with a straight line, students, all these points with the straight line. Okay, all these points with the straight line. So if we join this line, these two, okay, you understand, I'm just taking an option like that. So this is one, we join the straight line, fine. Okay, you can clearly see here I'm joining one more line, fine. Then we will join the other lines. These two lines. Okay, these 2 points, these 2 points. Then we have these 2 points. Okay, the last one, I think. Okay, this we join. Understood, students? This is what we call this to be as frequency polygon, and these are all what they are called histograms. I hope you have followed this, students. Okay, so in the next video I will show you another type of a graph. Thank you. And understand, students, if we join these points here, one explanation I need to give it to you. If you join these points here, as I have joined with straight lines, they form frequency polygon. If you are doing it with a curve, okay, just a freehand curve, like this, when we join all these points, then that would be called as a frequency curve. Okay. Okay, if you're joining all the points with the straight line, it is frequency polygon. Okay, if you're joining all the points by a curve, not necessarily all the points, but some of the points with a freehand curve, then we call that to be as frequency curve. Okay, right. Thank you. Have a nice day.